student, this is Mehnaz Khan from Gyanasthali Public School. Student, today we are going to study first poem of 10th class from your first flight book, Dust of Snow, composed by Robert Frost. Student, as we know that Robert Frost is a famous American poet and he got 4-time Pulitzer Prize for his poetry. Student, before proceeding the explanation of this poem, let us see the theme of this poem. First, we are having three major themes. The first theme is happiness can be found in the darkest time. The poet want to tell us that whether we are having very darkest time, very hardships we are having, depression we are having, then at that time we can also find the happiness in our life. Second major theme is inauspicious things can bring joy and happiness. Inauspicious means ill omen. The poet is telling that the things which are not thinking good for us, they can also be the source of happiness in our life. The third major theme is one must accept the way with which nature chooses to bless us. The poet is telling us that the nature try to heal us in every situation, whether we are having any wound in our soul or in our body. So we should accept that way of nature and move ahead in our life, whether we are having any problem in our life. This is the reality of life, student. We should accept this reality of life. Many hardships will come in our life, but we have to move forward in our life. Student, in this poem we are having two stanza, and in each stanza we are having some poetic device. See the first stanza. In first stanza, symbolism, enjambment, assonance, literary device we are having, and the rhyme scheme is A B A B. In second stanza we are having enjambment, alliteration, HNS is repeated, and consonants, and the literary rhyme scheme is C D C D. Student, this poem is double meaning poem. Why it is double meaning? And which two meaning we are having? The first is literary meaning. When we are having word to word meaning, that is literary meaning. And when we are having metaphysical meaning means the meaning which is different from their word, that is deep meaning, is metaphysical meaning. Let us see the explanation of this poem. The first stanza, the way a crow shocked down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Here the poet is saying, the poet Robert Frost was very depressed. He was in tension, and what he did, the way of the chromies, he stand under the tree, hemlock tree, and hemlock is a poisonous tree. And what happened, just then a crow came there and perched on the branch of that hemlock tree and shock is a second form of shake, and shake the branch of that tree, and that tree was covered with snow, and that crow showered the snow, dust of snow on Robert Frost. Here, student, if you observe that crow rhyme with snow, me rhyme with tree, so rhyme scheme is A B A B. And if we see that crow and hemlocks are presenting the negativity, sorrow, mourning condition, so these are the ill omen thing in our country. And in snow we are having the source of joy. When we play on snow, then this give us happiness. So three symbols are used here: crow, snow, hemlock. So this is symbolism literary device. Student, if we observe, the O sound, vowel sound is prominent in many lines. In crow, O; in shock, down, on, off, snow, from, hemlock. When any vowel sound is prominent, that is assonance literary device. And beside this, we can observe that one sentence is continued, second line is continued, third line there is no punctuation mark in any line. This is one sentence. When any sentence is continue in next line, that is enjambment literary device. Let us see second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Here the rude means regretted. What the poet is saying, had given my heart a change of mood. That shower of snow changed the mood of Robert Frost. His heart is changed at that time and saved from some part. And this shower of snow change the mood, and this changing mood saved the some part of the day I had viewed, and he was regretting that he has wasted his half day in negativity. Now he is happy. Let us see rhyme scheme. Heart and part rhyme to each other, mood and rude to each other. A B rhyme scheme we are having. If we observe, has, heart started with ha sound, save, some started with sa sound. So this is when any consonant is repeated in the beginning of the word, that is alliteration literary device. Beside this, we can observe that da sound is repeated in day and rude and had. If consonant sound is repeated in mid and end of the word, that is consonance literary device. We are also having consonance literary device here. If we observe the line here, first line is continued, second and third. This is one line. Here is no punctuation mark, no comma, no full stop is here. So this is enjambment literary device. Hope student that you have understood the message of the poem, that in negativity we can get the positive thought, we can overcome from our hardships. Let us see some new words of this poem. Dust of snow means fine powdery snowflakes. Hemlock, a poisonous plant with small white flowers. Rude, regretted, shock, shake. I hope that you have understood all the explanation, all the word meaning and literary device. Thank you, student. Have a good day. Bye-bye.